If you're not from the area, and especially if you have small children, you probably wouldn't dream of visiting Detroit on your family vacation. Detroit's too broke and downtrodden to run a tourism campaign, so its treasures remain hidden. Unless you're an urban explorer who thinks you'll be the first person to gape at the marvels of the Packard Plant that every urban explorer has blogged about. Here are the 10 things to do in Detroit. Chill, walk, or jog at Belle Isle. The city's crown jewel, Belle Isle, is America's largest island city park and a haven for walkers, bikers, sunbathers, sailors, and swimmers. Follow its winding paths for surprises at every turn, from the jaw-dropping conservatory and botanical garden to the fascinating maritime museum. Or just sit back with a picnic and watch the glistening river as you relax astride the USA and Canada. Visit the historic Eastern Market. If you visit on a Saturday, stock up on picnic supplies at the historic Eastern Market, one of the largest open-air markets in the country, with fresh produce, unbeatable barbecue, and artisan goods, from cheese to microbrews to slices of bread, to delight any foodie. The surrounding shops and cafes bustle with those mythical real-life Detroiters, who somehow exist despite rumors that everyone has fled to the other side of the 8-mile road. Enjoy the entertainment at Commercial Park. Another must-visit summer destination is Commercial Park, home of the Detroit Tigers. Even if you have no interest in baseball, it's a great place to soak up the sun, take in the skyline as dusk settles over the Detroit River, and share a bag of fresh roasted peanuts with your kids. The sights, sounds, and smells will entertain the family even if they're not paying attention to what's happening on the field. Marvel at the architectural wonders of Foxtown. The surrounding Foxtown area has a big city feel without Detroit's infamous menacing overtones. The Fox Theater and nearby Symphony Hall and Detroit Opera House are marvels of architectural wonder and have some of the best acoustics anywhere. Book a performance or concert and experience Detroit's thriving cultural scene. Explore history at one of the Detroit museums. The city has plenty of fantastic museums, including the Charles H. Wright Museum of African American History, the Michigan Science Center, the Motown Museum, and the world-class Detroit Institute of Art. If your family likes museums, you should plan to spend some time in all of them. Feel the thrill of history at the Henry Ford Museum. Head a few miles out of town to the Henry Ford Museum. More than just cars and the bus on which Rosa Parks made her courageous protest, the sprawling museum and surrounding Greenfield Village display American history through the ages. A wealth of insight into the civil rights movement, and naturally, a big focus on its manufacturing feats and war efforts. Take the kids to Detroit Zoo. Kids will never get tired of the Detroit Zoo, paradoxically located in the lively suburb of Royal Oak. With its amazing polar bears, butterfly house, and creatures to cheer the most tantrum-prone child. The zoo features more than 2,000 animals, including some gorgeous giraffes. Your kids can learn about all types of animals from amphibians to reptiles, and by visiting, you're helping the zoo's conservation efforts as well. Another blast from the past at historic Fort Wayne. Back in the city, there's plenty of history to be seen. Since it was founded by the French more than 300 years ago, French, British, American, and Native Americans have battled over control of the area. Take in a bit of the area's long history at the intriguing historic Fort Wayne, shaped like a 5-point star on the shores of the Detroit River. Visit one of Detroit's authentic Greek restaurants at Greek Town. These days, Detroit has several thriving ethnic communities. From Greek Town in the heart of downtown to Mexican Town and Little Lebanon, a strip of Middle Eastern businesses and restaurants featuring the best hummus, falafel, and fattoush on this side of the Nile. There's also this Irish-American-influenced Corktown and hometown favorite foods, including soul food and one-of-a-kind Detroit Coney dogs. Enjoy the sunset at Detroit River. Take a walk or a cruise along the Detroit River, the perfect way for the kids to appreciate nature. Make sure to soak all of the beauty of the sunset at the river. Don't forget to wave at Canada. Remember that even if our neighbors over the border have a better reputation, Detroit has a bigger heart.